So this is the Tableau software I just opened up, and I will show that from where this can be downloaded. So it can be downloaded from, yeah, this is the Tableau website, tableau.com. And here basically I have written public.tableau.com so that I can get the public version of it. So if you type here your email ID and you just click on download the app, it will help you with the particular downloadable file. Okay, so after you download it, you will actually get one exe file. Okay, so I have just put down the steps here how you can basically install it. So you will get an exe file. Now Tableau is actually a paid tool. Okay, so you have to purchase a license for it, but it also has got this particular Tableau desktop is a paid version. If you basically download Tableau desktop public, so that public version is a free version which you can use it for like lifelong. You can use that particular software, but the thing is the paid one has got a lot many features as compared to Tableau public. But to begin with, and to do analysis of your data, Tableau Public is enough in the beginning stage. It does a lot of things for us as a free tool as well. So you can just download the exe file, and after that you can double click on it. This screen will be visible. You can click on run, and then basically it will start installing. And then it will, this is paid version, so the paid version will ask you to accept the license. Okay, the paid version. And after accepting the license, you can basically you cannot activate because you don't have a product key. So what you can do is you can basically go for uh, instead of activation, you can actually go for start a trial. So this option you can select start a trial. It just runs for 14 days. That is the issue here. Okay, so but for 14 days you can explore the Tableau desktop, and after that you can basically go for the Tableau desktop public version. Okay, then just put up your details here and register. Okay, you need not to put all the correct details. If you want to put some dummy details, it accepts dummy as well. Okay, so that's your choice, or you can create some dummy email ID and then fill it up. Okay, and then register it, and after that your software will get registered. Okay, like this, registration completed. And then you can basically open up your particular software. Okay, so these were the installation steps, and now you'll be able to use the Tableau. And yes, so how will it look? So Tableau will be looking like this. Okay, so here you can see we have how many sections? We have three sections. Okay, on the leftmost side, if you see, the connect section is there. So connect section helps you to connect with your data. Okay, and now we need to understand that data can be of different formats. Okay, data can be in different formats. So this section helps us to connect with data, and this section in the center. Okay, so here whatever work you are doing, okay, whatever analytical work you are doing in Tableau, so all that is basically work is shown here in form of these small windows. Okay, so this all basically I did capturing some data and doing some analysis, so all that data will be visible here. Okay, and on the right hand side, if you see, so on top you have some videos. Okay, and these, the purpose of these videos is to help you to work with the Tableau. Okay, so they are like tutorials. Okay, and here you see viz of the day. So viz is basically, viz is a term which is given to, like you can see this one square box, this is called as a viz. Another square box, this is called as a viz. So viz is a chart, basically a file which contains your analytical charts. Okay, your diagrams, that is called as a viz. Okay, in case of Tableau. So viz of the day, so viz of the day basically comes from across the globe. The Tableau public, as it is free, so whatever you publish here, Tableau public gets connected to Tableau public server. Okay, and you can basically push your design on Tableau public server so that everybody can see it. Okay, again, it is public, so everybody can see that. Okay, so if you are working with some organization and you want to do analysis and you want to share the analysis between the teams and employees, okay, then in that case you will have to take a paid version. So it will basically be available to those people who are actually authorized to see that information. Okay, so that is one important thing. Tableau public data is available for everybody. Okay, so here you can see that Chicago Bulls bucket. Okay, so his design is one of the most popular design. Okay, so you can see this is Tableau public. I just clicked on it, so this will show me the, yeah, so this is the design he created. So this is really wonderful design he created. Okay, and it tells us about FG made. So FG made is something, nothing but buckets. Okay, so the number, okay, FG is made, it is telling us. Okay, so if you see black, they are having lesser numbers. The color must be okay, starters in red. So color is basically, so starters in red. Okay, so these are the starters who are in red, and the black ones are not starters. Okay, so this is one of the best which is categorized here. Okay, so this is the third section. Fine, and below here you can see I can always update. Okay, update to 2020.2 version. Okay, so I can always update this particular uh, uh, Tableau public software. Okay,